Like the thumbnail said, if you're new to 3D printing, you're definitely going to need some of this. This is some orange indicating silica gel. The reason you need this is the filaments, a lot of them are very hygroscopic, so they absorb large amounts of water. When this gets into your prints, you'll end up hearing hissing and popping out of the print head, and your prints will be garbage. So one of the goals is to definitely keep everything as dry as possible. And this is where the silica gel comes into play. And when they've absorbed all the water that they're able to get, they'll end up turning a green color. I thought throwing them into a glass of water should be a quick way to test this out. Throw them in there real quick and that's weird. Yeah, they all blew up. The more you know. This is my CFS. It's basically a multicolored system for the Creality. Back here on the Creality, you can see its little port, and this is the gel package it came with, but yeah, they're feeling a little squishy now. So what I did is I went online, found this model. Like any model I show on the channel, it'll be down in the description below. This one isn't created by me. I didn't do any kind of remixes to it or anything. So pretty much you fill them up with any kind of silica or desiccant or anything like that. And this is able to be renewed. So once this all turns green, I'll be able to stick this into my microwave on the defrost setting. Probably for around 5 to 7 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it. Obviously the beads can self-destruct, and then it'll renew it back to the orange state, and it can be used over and over again. So put my little door on it here. Nice. And then, yep, just go right down in the unit like that. And yeah, I keep the original door off. So pretty much got to do one more for the other side. All right, let's see what we can get that humidity down to now. It's already dropped 1% just having the case open. That definitely shows that this stuff was totally spent. Nice, got it down to 30%. It's dropped 2% already. From what I've heard, the blue one is a little bit toxic, so I'd stick with the orange one here. The next thing I can do is add silica inside of here. So I got these end caps. I pretty much designed them out. They have holes here, so the unit also breathes out to the filament. I'll pop those in real quick. And this whole model is press fit. It's really easy to print, really easy to assemble. Nice. And that'll help keep the filament nice and dry. Of course, this is only really preventive maintenance. It really should have a filament dryer. Pretty much it has a heat unit and a fan. It'll dry these spools out real good. This essentially keeps the spools from getting wet, so you won't have to be in that state. So yeah, I definitely need a filament dryer myself. Any companies out there, hey, you want to hit me up? I'll make you a video for your filament dryer. It's nice, it's already got it down to 28%, so if it's already 4%, I'm gonna come back here in about an hour and see what it really goes down to. Nice, 26%. I'm happy. So until next time, have a great day.